Sino yung doktor na disciple ni Jesus? Hello.
Hello po.
Anong name?
Laika po.
Laika. So I'm gonna ask 3 questions. Kapag sinagot mo, you have free Bible. First question. What is the longest chapter in the Bible?
Psalm 119 po.
Final answer.
Yes po.
Galing. Basic. Psalm 119. Correct. Okay. Ba, parang magaling to ah. Hirapan natin konti. Um, Sino yung doktor na disciple ni Jesus? Yung physician. No time. No pressure.
Si Luke.
Luke. Final answer.
Tama? Yes.
Luke is correct. Tama. Tama.
Galing ito.
Si Luke. Tama. Very good. Last question. Gaano ka kadalas magbasa ng Bible?
Every day.
Everyday. Kaya pala eh. Last question. Ano yung occupation or trabaho ni Matthew bago siya maging disciple ni Jesus?
Hello.
Puro work to. Puro work.
Work. Si Matthew ay
Matthew. Tinawag siya ni Jesus.
tax collector.
Tax collector or BIR ngayon. Correct. Very good. Free Bible. Free Bible, English Standard Version. Laika, congratulations. Binasic mo lang. You're welcome. Third question. Shortest verse in the Bible. Hello po. Anong name?
Fatima.
Fatima. So I'm gonna ask 3 questions. Kapag sinagot mo, meron kang free Bible. Okay? First question. Sino yung 13th apostle na pinalit
13?
kay Judas Iscariot? Anong name ng 13th apostle?
Ba si Paul? Ka. Wait. Hindi ko alam.
Letter M, letter M.
Letter M? Letter M. Sorry, hindi ko alam.
Sounds like Matthew.
Sounds like Matthew. Hindi ko alam.
Matias.
Matthew.
Matias.
Okay.
Matias.
Okay.
It's alright. First question. Second question. What is the 8th commandment?
Wait lang ah.
Take your time.
Teka lang. Ano yun? Wait lang. 8th commandment.
Thou shall not, thou shall not, thou shall not.
Wait lang. Covetousness. Stealing?
That's correct. Thou shall not steal. 8th commandment. Good job. Third question. Ito medyo, feeling ko mahirap. Pero, third question. Shortest verse in the Bible.
Shortest verse. Kailangan yung verse mismo.
Yeah.
Okay. Shortest verse?
Or yung pinakalaman ng verse. Pinakalaman ng verse.
Hindi ba fear not?
Hindi.
No. It is finished. Charis. Ay, hindi.
Tetelestai. Wrong.
Wrong. Wait. Si Jesus ba nagsabi? Si Jesus? Hindi. Hindi, no?
Nangyari kay Jesus. Shortest.
Nangyari kay Jesus.
Look at me.
He wept?
Sino?
Ah,
Sin?
Jesus wept. Yes.
Alright, good job. Jesus wept. John 11 verse 35. Shortest verse in the Bible. Jesus wept. Alright.
Thank you.
Yes. Free Bible. English Standard Version. Welcome, Fat.